Today we are here at 7743 Beloit Avenue in Bridgeville, Illinois. And today we're going to be performing an attempted repair on this shingle right here, labeled shingle 1. Above shingle 1, we have two shingles labeled shingle 2 and shingle 3. Reason being they're labeled is because we must remove, in order for us to remove this shingle, we have to remove these two shingles as well. So we will now begin the attempted repair. We're going to start at the edge of the shingle and work our way to the other edge. Now we'll begin trying to unseal the shingle. And as you can see immediately off the bat, it pierced, tiny pierce right there through the shingle. And as you can see, another pierce in the shingle. We're trying to remove this shingle. You can see all the granular loss at the bottom. Let's continue with this attempt. As you can see, we're still trying to unseal this shingle. And we're going to obviously go as gentle as possible. As you can see, we have another minor pierce through the shingle. See all the granular loss at the bottom of the shingle. So on shingle 1 alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points of failure. We are going to now move on to shingle 2, and we're now going to begin trying to unseal it. And we're going to obviously work as gentle as possible. And as you can see, another minor tear, actually a major tear in the shingle right here, in the process of trying to unseal this shingle. And as you can see, another tear right there. Again, we're going to try to go as gentle as possible. Sorry. As you can see at the bottom, we have tears. Work our way down more, and as you can see, another tear in the process of trying to unseal the shingle. And as you can see, this shingle is being torn up each attempt to try and unseal it. Okay, so on shingle 2 alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 points of failure on shingle 2 alone. We're going to now proceed with trying to unseal this shingle, labeled shingle 3. But I must state that just on shingle 1 and shingle 2 alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 points of failure so far on just 2 shingles. So now, and as you can see, another tear in the process of trying to unseal this shingle. As you can see, as gentle as I was going, the shingle still was torn. So we're gonna continue. And as you can see, no matter how gentle I go, the shingle just keeps tearing. We're gonna actually end the attempted repair right here. This attempted repair has failed. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 points of failure, not even finished with the other half of the shingle on shingle 3. This attempted repair has failed. We will no longer proceed. This roof is non-repairable. We are only causing more damage to the roof than we actually are helping.